Okay, guys, it's me again, and this time I'm gonna try to explain the if statements. The if we have two if. The first one is the simple if, and the second one is the if, and then we're gonna add the else condition. So we're gonna have on the if we're gonna have two things. The first one is the simple if, and the second one is the if else. On the first one, the if statement, this is going to be again just like the for loop. This is going to be a function that is already inside Carol. And sometimes, let's say that we want to do something, but we have to check before we do something. Like, for example, the if condition, it's a condition that we apply every day in our life. Remember, we program the machines, we program the computer, just like our real life. For example, if I'm hungry, I'm going to eat. If I'm tired, I'm going to rest. The if statement is going to check your condition to complete or to execute a command. On this case, on this example that we have right here, first of all, we have the function start, then we have the move command, and then we have the move option. Just like in any function, we have to use the brackets, open bracket and the closing bracket, and what's inside is what we're going to do. If this condition right here, if this condition is true, that's the commands that we're going to execute. On this case, it says the if your front is clear, that means that Carol does not have any obstacles or that has not reached the end of the world. She's going to do what? She is going to move. If she has this obstacle in front of her, and we apply the if condition afterwards, since it's blocking her way, we're not going to do this. She's just going to go, or she's going to do the next command, which is this one, if we want to. Okay, so this is an example that I'm gonna give you. Okay, I'm gonna play it real slow so you guys get to see. First of all, she's going to move, and then it gives me the thing that she crashed into a wall. Why? Because this is blocked. If the front is clear, she didn't move, but we forced her to move. So we can change this one to turn left, and when she reaches an obstacle, she's just gonna turn to the left. Let's see it again. She reached, she doesn't do the if, she's not going to move, and she jumps to the next one, which is this one. Okay, this is the simple if. Let's try to look on another example. On this world, now you're gonna have to work with multiple worlds, and your code has to work on every world, because when you're writing your code, you need to think of all the possible scenarios of your code so you can solve many worlds or any world that they give you. So on this case, the exercise says, if there's a ball on the first spot, you just need to move once. If there's a ball, I need to move. Otherwise, you need to put a ball down and then move once. So you have two conditions. The first one is, if there's a ball, you just have to move. And if there's no balls present, you can put down the ball. Where do you find this condition? Okay, you're gonna find this condition, every condition that you can apply in your if statement or your while statement that you're gonna get to learn on the next video. You will get to see it on the cheat sheet. On the cheat sheet, you have all the conditions that you guys can use. For example, this is the conditional statements, and the first one is the if, the simple if, and on the second one is the if else condition. Then you have examples, and you have the conditions that you can use. The conditions that you can use: if the front is clear, then Carol can move. If the left is clear, you can turn left. If the right is clear, one of the example is you can turn right and you can move. If she's facing north, if she's facing south, if she's facing east, if she's facing west, if there's balls present. This is on this column. On the other column is instead of being clear, or if she's facing, or if there's ball present, there's the negative. If the front is blocked, if the left is blocked, if she's not facing north, if there's no ball present, these are all the conditions that you guys can use. So on my case, since I need to check two things, the first thing I need to do is check if there's no ball present, what do I need to do? I need to put a ball. If there's a ball present, this condition is not going to apply, and this, we're not going to do this command. Okay? And in both cases, we're just going to move forward. So that's why I'm putting the move outside the if condition. Why? Because I'm checking. If I have a ball present, if I don't have a ball present, what I have to do is just put down the ball. If I have a ball present, all I need to do is move. So if I check, there's no ball, I put down the ball and then I move. And in my second whirl, I have a ball present, and all I have to do is check if there's a ball, then I'm going to move. Okay? So please just keep practicing with the other with the other exercise, and let me know if you guys need help. I'll see you guys later. Bye.